Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. These are the tools and materials that you are going to need for this second lesson. Some metal to work with, and again I am using brass because it has the same qualities as silver, so it's almost similar to work with. A scribing tool, a candlestick to lubricate your saw blade, metal dividers, your vernier calipers, and of course your goldsmithing saw with some extra blades. I am just going to take out my file and adjust these until they are a perfect match. And I'm really pushing down so it becomes a little hole where I can set the point of my divider in so that it doesn't slip away. And I am twisting my plate. You'll just have to see what works for you. And now let's measure up our circle to see how we are doing. And I hope you can see that it's a perfect match. So here you can see how a rounded corner looks. It isn't really sharp, but for a lot of jewelry, a corner like this is sharp enough because you don't want sharp pieces sticking out. So this is a bit of a rounded off corner, and now I am going to show you how you can make a sharp corner. And now I would advise you to save everything that you cut out, and maybe you can even store it by week 1, week 2, week 3, and then no matter how much you're struggling now, in a couple of weeks when you look back to your first work, you will really see the improvement, and I think that can give you a boost and more confidence. So please save your work so you can look back on it and see how much you have grown. And I believe in lesson number 5 we are going to make some earrings, and it would come in very handy if you have a couple of round shapes so you can cut them out already and store them. And I think it would be nice if